Hi friends, welcome to Bella Stitchery. As you may already know, I design custom cross stitch patterns, alternative patterns. On Etsy, they're already available as instant downloads. On eBay, they come via email and you print out the PDF. But what if you work long hours? What if you're not next to a craft store? Maybe you have 87 children. And as we all know, a 10-minute craft store trip with children in tow. You need rations now, maybe some backup toilet paper and water. I always have my Find My iPhone on in case I disappear for long periods of time. Like, you just can't get away. So I had a request to show you what comes in a kit. So thank you, Amber, on Facebook for the suggestion. I do offer kits with all of my patterns. And if you're interested in having me shop for you, just message me and I could set up that custom listing. So in the mail, the kits come like so. I will have a page here with just some basic instructions written out and my card and the needle. So there you goes, that. And when you turn the page, you'll see it's essentially the paper chart. Part of it is exactly what you'd get in the listing. I also try to include a full-sized picture. Sometimes that's easier to see than how it generates from my software. So for Elvis here, I have the paper grid, if you can see that, and all of this is numbered. I have another video that I put together showing you how to piece this together. So whether you have a kit or you've purchased the PDF version, that might be helpful for getting started. So check that out as well. Also in the kit, you'll receive the Aida cloth. I do 14 count by default. If you have a preferred size of canvas you would like to work with, just let me know that when you message me, that's fine. And then I will provide you with all of the beautiful DMC floss. So many colors. These I also put these in order for you because that's the Bella Stitchery quality guarantee. Children help me, at least the ones that know their numbers. We put them all in order, we bag them up, so they're easy to use. And really, it's just that simple. All of my patterns use only full X stitches, so you don't need any special beads or know how to do back stitching and knots. Once you get started, I'm sure you'll find it's actually really simple. Now just a quick peek at how I store mine for my floss. I love these art bins. If you don't have one, I don't understand how you're cross stitching. Honestly, these are really handy. I'll put a link to these too from Amazon if you'd like to store yours in this way. I just put mine in number order for the project I'm working on. I also cut this out of my cross stitch chart. So that's usually a couple pages in. Let me show you here. Here, see this one actually, if you're interested in Elvis, this doesn't use a lot of colors. Good to know. You could even skip the background on this one. So I cut this out and I put that in my floss bin so that I could just see it without having to look on my chart. So there's that. I'll show you more about my organization in that other video I was talking about. But hopefully this helps you. Let me know what you'd love to see in future patterns. Do you want to see more pop culture things like Elvis, movie posters, or do you like more vintage images turned into cross stitch patterns? I would love to know what you think. Be sure to subscribe to my channel and ring the bell because I'm going to be doing giveaways coming up for subscribers, and I have some new products I'm unveiling and other DIYs. So ring the bell, that way you'll get updates as soon as I list new video. Thanks so much for coming in, stopping by. Thanks again, Amber. Let me know if there's other things you'd like to see, everybody, because I'm excited about this new venture generally. All right, thanks so much. Bye.